Hey guys, so today's video is just a few ways that I style my faux locks. I wanted to show you guys how I lay my edges and what I use. So I really love the Ebin Extreme Firm Hold Edge Control. Like, it's my favorite of all time. And then I also massage and moisturize my scalp with tea tree oil. I think when you have protective styles, it's very important to take care of your scalp. So starting with the first look, I just took down 2 locks in the front and then took the first 2 rows and put them in a high ponytail. And then you just have a cute half up, half down look. And for this look, you can also just leave 1 lock down in the front. I think that's just as cute. So for the next hairstyle, I'm going to take the first 2 rows of my locks and put them in a really high ponytail. And then just kind of smooth it out, and then you have a cute look. And then moving forward with that look, I took the high ponytail and then just wrapped it around and made a little bun. So you have a cute little top knot. So with this next hairstyle, I started with the middle part, and I'm going to take the first 2 rows on one side and put them up in a ponytail, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And then next, I'm just wrapping those little ponytails around themselves to make 2 space buns. So the next look is just me throwing up my hair in a ponytail, and I really like just wearing high ponytails because my hair is like off my face and out of the way. And I also like wearing my locks in high buns. So with this next style, I'm going to start off with the side part, and I'm taking 3 locks in the front and braiding them, and then just tying them off with a rubber band. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And once I have my 2 braids, I'm just going to wrap them around to the back and tie those off with another rubber band. And now I have a cute style that has my hair out of my face. So this last style is probably my favorite. I'm starting with the middle part, taking 2 locks out in the front, and then making a super high ponytail with the first 2 rows. And then I'm going to wrap those locks around themselves to make a top knot, and then boom. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!